host, Ray Polanco Jr., and it's finally here, the holiday Air Jordan we all impatiently wait for the past 12 months. And I'm not even going to hold you because we got other heat to talk about too. Let's get into today's drip. The Nike React Element 87, the best new sneaker of 2018, also one of the most comfiest. Now let's talk about the best sneaker release of 2018 in my opinion. Yo, that smell gets me every time. Anyway, I know what you're thinking. Yo, Ray, how is this the best of 2018 if we've seen it so many times? It's simple. It's all in the details. So on the heel, for the first time ever, you have a public release of number 45, which used to be a player exclusive only from Michael Jordan. And this is the first Concord Retro ever to feature the original packaging. Now, I'm the type of person who will put tape on the insole just to preserve that Nike Air. Now, I know a sneaker historian who takes his love for the Concord 11 to the next level because this Jordan collection is crazy. Hey, yo, Marvin, please show the people what's up.
Concord 11 drops again for the very first time since 2011. I'm here to show you a collection of Air Jordan 11s from my personal stash. So starting it off, we have the original Air Jordan 11 in number 45 from 1995. This is a sample. Can you tell I love the Concord 11? From the sample, the OG, the 2000, the DMP, the 2011, the 2014 low, and the 2018. From my first pair in 95 to my firstborn. What's not to love?
I quit. Bruh, did you just shut it down with every Concord 11 ever, including the 45 sample from 1995? Yep. Straight to the feet. I wasn't playing no games. Now my man Marvin, that was a little sneak peek into his collection. You should subscribe to his YouTube channel to check out more of his gems. Now if you've been paying attention to Nike all year.
Mom, yo, I made it. Check it out.